Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I just had an update for you guys and also just gonna kind of have an open heart-to-heart conversation about some stuff, some new things for my channel, and also addressing some things from other videos. So basically I was doing a lot of thinking as I was in this like quarantine, social distancing time, and I was just kind of thinking about what I want for this channel and what kind of videos I want to be making, because sometimes I feel like I'm making videos that I'm not even proud of. I don't really do vlogs because I feel like my life isn't that interesting, and I feel like not a lot of people really care to see those unless it's like travel vlogs or something. So I wanted to think more about videos that I can create and put out that are actually valuable to people, or just that people enjoy watching or they learn something from it. And I know a lot of you have been asking if I would do an update on my Italian video, because obviously that's my biggest video to date. It's nearing like 600,000 views I think right now. So I know that's a big part of my channel, but I also wanted to say that this isn't an Italian channel, so I'm not just gonna make videos in Italian all the time. But with that being said, I think that it is something that I want to incorporate into my channel in small ways, because I still want to cater to, you know, my American audience and the things that I'm doing with like side hustles and productivity and motivation and stuff like that. But learning a language is very important to me, so I also want to have videos for that. So I think there's definitely a way that I can include both and have it still be fun and still me and still a cohesive channel somehow. To address what a lot of people have asked is, yes, I'm still learning. To be honest, I took a little break for a while because I moved back to LA after that video that I actually shot in Arizona when I was home, and I was like really lost. I had no idea what I was doing. I was trying to find a job, it wasn't working out, and so that was just like a very hard period for me, and studying a language wasn't really important to me at that time. And so I did take a break, and you know, it's hard unless you're like continuously studying. But then once I found a job and I was really happy and really secure, I moved into a new place and I feel super great where I'm at right now. And I think that then I just felt this kind of importance to keep that up, and especially now that we're all stuck at home and there's not much else to do, I've like really started diving in again, which is really exciting, and I'm really happy about it. And that just kind of solidifies the idea that it is something that is very important to me, and that since I enjoy doing it, I still want to keep up with it. So because of that, like I said, I want to start incorporating more videos. Even though I said I don't really do vlogs, I think doing vlogs in Italian would help me learn and speak, because obviously it's hard speaking when I don't have anyone to practice with here. So I think just getting the practice of speaking is what I need. But I think because one of the reasons I have been so afraid to do another video is because people are mean, and people were very mean in my last video, and it hurts, you know, when you see those comments, especially as someone who's just trying to learn. And it's like, I know I'm learning a new language and I'm not going to be good right away. So certain comments, like, you just wouldn't say that as someone who's learning something who doesn't, you know, they're gonna make mistakes. And that's the scariest part about learning a language, is making mistakes. And everyone's so afraid of that. So when you do make mistakes and people criticize you for that, it's it's hard to bounce back and be like, oh yeah, let me keep doing it. I have actually deleted most of the really mean comments just because I didn't want that kind of negativity on my channel and just in the comments. So if you don't see any, it's because I literally read every single comment that comes through, and I'll delete just the really mean ones. Whether it was in Italian or English, there were still like really terrible ones. But I mean, I kind of expect that on the internet. There's always going to be people who are really angry and have a lot of hate and just like to be angry at other people, which doesn't make any sense to me, but it's the internet, I guess. Anyway, so all I'm asking from you as an audience is that you're patient with me, and I definitely welcome criticism. I'm trying to learn, and if you can help me, that's great, but just don't be mean about it. I think being patient and just helping me out, making suggestions when I do say things wrong, which I know in my last video so many people commented on the way I said I'm 23 years old and I didn't have that extra like N in the word anni. I'm not even gonna say, I just cringe whenever I watch it now because now I know what I said. So that's like, yeah, I mean, so stuff like that, like that's bad. And people were usually nice about that, about saying like, oh, do you know what you really said when you tried to say I'm 23? You were like, I have 23. That, I mean, that's embarrassing, but like, that's how you learn, you know? And some people were like nice about it and just were like, hey, make sure you pronounce that word correctly. And so and now I learned from that. Yeah, so just like being kind, being open, being patient with me as I learn, and I'm gonna make mistakes and I should just own that and not be such a perfectionist. Okay, so now that we have all the serious stuff out of the way, today what I wanted to do was, well, since I still really don't like the way my Italian accent is and I still really need to work on that, I thought it would be fun to do a little challenge of like me trying to pronounce some of the hardest words to say in Italian. So I looked up a list on my phone of words that are hard for anyone to say who's not Italian, but also specifically English speakers, because as with any language, there are like word groupings or certain sounds that we don't have in the English language. So for us, it's very hard because it's not a natural sound for us. So I looked up a list of some difficult words. I haven't tried any of them yet. I just found one that seemed like it would be hard. Some of them maybe I would have run into or like have tried to practice those sounds by now, so maybe some of them I'll actually get right and other ones maybe not. But I thought this would be like a fun segue into me doing more Italian videos instead of just like, okay, here's a vlog all in Italian and like no one's ready for that. So I think this would just be fun, and I think it would be like a lighthearted way for people to make fun of me again. Don't make fun of me. I think it would just be fun because, you know, it'll be a struggle for me. But again, we're learning, so we're learning together. But I do want to do more videos in Italian, and I think I'm going to do a video about how I study with a full-time job and like how to keep up with it, because a lot of people have wondered, you know, okay, your tips were great in your other video, but like how do you realistically keep up with a schedule with a job or in school or something like that. So that will be another video coming soon. But for now, let's get into these words that are very hard for Americans to say in Italian. I'm gonna put the words on the screen somewhere so that way you can see them and know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I just pulled up this list. I'll probably just read all of them. Okay, the first one is bruschetta. I guess it's hard because sorry, the traffic outside. Americans say bruschetta. Next word is coinquilino. Coinquilino. Roommate. That's not that bad. Oh god. This word, I've seen this before. Like I've seen this on other chiacchiericcio. Is that a ch sound? Chiacchiericcio. Chiacchiericcio. We're gonna go with that. That's my final answer. I feel like I'm still learning like certain letter groupings. I feel like I know, but then I'll see them in an actual word and I'm like, wait, how do you say that? So I'm still learning that. Okay, I've seen this number. Like, I think it's kind of like a tongue twister. I'm scared. I'm scared to try this. 555. Okay, I'm gonna try to say it faster. 555. Oh, that wasn't that bad. 555. Or am I saying it wrong? 555. 555. I feel like if I said that really fast for a long time, I would definitely get it wrong. Fagiolini. That sounds like a bad word. I get in string beans. Fagiolini. String beans. Meraviglioso. I feel like I said that right. That GLI sound is very hard for Americans because we don't have anything like that. Meraviglioso. Let me know if that's right, because I feel like it sounds like it's right, but I could be really messing it up. Like the GLI sound. Li, tagliere, aglio. I feel like I'm slowly getting that one down. Okay, I feel like we need a better list. Maybe I'm just better than I thought. Okay, the word for spoon. Now, I know that's a tough one. I don't even know how to say that. Cucchiaio? Okay, that I A-I sound is really hard. How does it tell me to say it? Kukyayo? Kukyo? What the? Someone? Okay, I need to look that up because how am I gonna ask for a spoon? Basta. I feel like that's pretty easy. It's like pasta, but with a B. Arrabbiato. Arrabbiato. Angry. Like the pasta sauce. Arrabbiata. Right? Culaccino. That also sounds like a bad word. But maybe it's because the first. If you know, you know. The ring made by a glass of cold liquid has a specific word. Culaccino. We just call it like a ring. And then my mom gets mad at me because she's like, don't put that on wood. Water ruins wood. Okay. Mozzafiato. Breathtaking. Is that how you say it? Mozzafiato. Mozzafiato. There's like an explanation of how to break down the word to say it. So when I read it, sometimes I'm like, wait, was I actually saying that wrong? Oh, do I have to? I can't. How are you supposed to trill an R after you go through? I can't. Struggimento. We're gonna need to work on that one if you have to trill that R. Okay, that was it. Okay, so like I mentioned before, I do want to keep creating some Italian videos and sprinkle those in with my other normal videos because it is important to me to learn, and also because I feel like a lot of the people who subscribed did so because of my Italian video, so I kind of want to cater to that audience as well, but still do things like my portrait photography videos and how to start online business, like side hustles, all that kind of stuff. So you can still expect to find all those kind of videos on my channel, and for it to just kind of be this place of like all different types of videos, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I'm excited for the things coming, and I definitely will have an Italian video up soon, so please be patient with me. I also welcome any sort of help. I'm still using the apps HelloTalk and now Tandem, so if you have those and you want to reach out and we can practice speaking, that would be fantastic. So thanks so much for watching this video. This is just like a very chill video, and I just wanted to update you guys on the direction of my channel, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, bye, see you next time.